Programming, we learn about the if conditions. So if else statement, this is the syntax. If, after if, you should open a braces and end it with a colon. After that you should give conditions, then else, colon and conditions. It is like taking a decision. If this condition is true, then take this, execute this statement. If this condition is false, then execute this statement. That's all. This is if else statement. This is nothing but decision making coding. So for example, we'll write a program to find the odd or even number. You make this setup. If you are not aware of making this setup, you can see the previous videos and I'll share the links in the description. So now we'll see hash is used to as a comment. So here I am saying this program is to find if numbers are odd or even. So in number I am going to get the inputs. Int I am giving just to convert the given string to the integer. Previous examples we used int in the number. Now we are going to use int in the during getting the input itself. So input, get the number. Now to check if the number is odd or even, so if the number is even, the number will be divisible by 2. If it is divisible by 2, the remainder will be 0. So that's what we are getting, number mod 2 equal to 0. That is, if you get the remainder as 0, then it is an even number. If the remainder is that, then it is an odd number. That's all. So this is the program. You can write this. You can use this editor. It will say if you have any errors. For example, I'll remove this. See, it shows a red arrow here. See, it says the problem, quick fix it. So you have to go to the problem and see. It will say not closed with this. So then you can come and close it. I am just introducing error to show you how to fix. See, now no problems are detected. Go back to the terminal and go to run and run without debugging. So now you are getting the number. So now we'll run with two examples. One with even number. So it will say it is an even. Then next again run back. Now we'll see odd number. So it says 9 is an odd number. So that's all. This is a very simple example of this odd or even. You have to use mod operator to convert the given string to an integer and you have to print. And one more is here why I have printed string is while getting the input of the number you have got it as an integer, but while printing you needed to convert and print it as a string. That's why I am using a variable string. So if you don't have any system or laptop to try this, you can try this in mobile. You can go to this link, Python link, and you can paste your program here and you can run. So here you can enter and you can verify. 10 is for even number. I'll give 90, it should be for odd number. So this is how you can try even if you don't have a laptop. You can try this with mobile. Thank you.